Right, here we go. So this is my baby. This is my Aprilia V4 1100. I thought I'd just make a little video. I'll try and be as quick as possible. So yeah, this is her. She's up for sale, and yeah, I've had her a wee bit, but it's time to move on, I guess. I just thought I'd do a wee video of how tidy it is. Pretty tidy. Yeah, like to keep it nice and clean. She gets clean after every ride. Chain gets done very regularly after probably every second ride. Yeah, so that's her. It's been a cracker of a bike, amazing bike actually, best bike handling and performance wise I've ever had. It is absolutely amazing. Good for everything. If you want to have a bit of fun, it's good for that. If you want to have a cruise, it's amazing for that. Yeah, if you want to do long distance, it is also amazing. So it's a bit crammed around the side, but yeah, she's really tidy. Worth every penny on it. So the back tyre will need replacing at some point soon, I guess. Not a biggie. It's got a little bubble there. It's nothing, you can get that sorted out pretty cheap. And the only other thing is on the dash, the service light pops up from time to time. I don't know if it'll do it now. Yep, there we go, service. So the service has been done at 20,250 Ks. It's had the big service done on it, but I haven't had that reset. There's only one guy in town that can do it. I have been working insane hours lately, and I haven't had the time to go in, which is, I think it's less than like $100. It's like $60 to get it redone. It takes some bugger all 10 minutes to do it, and it's done, sort of thing. So as far as I know, so what I've been told, my old man had it done on his Aprilia, which cost him bugger all. He said it was like $50 or something. So yeah, cold start. Yeah. Very cold start. It hasn't been started in 3 weeks, so I'll just go like that so you know it's not hot at all. It's freezing cold. So yeah, she hasn't been started up for 3 weeks, but we shall see. White headlights in it, because the other ones are all yellow and look disgusting. To the original one, so that makes it look a bit better. Done a bit of detail on it. Just sort of blunt veneer around here. I've got front guard, guardrails there. Just to make it look a bit better. A bit of red on the tap there. Brand new battery in it. I think I've had it in for maybe 8 weeks, and I've only used it maybe twice. So yeah, I'm going to keep it running. So I don't want to turn it off after not running it for so long. But that's her, mate. Whoever's going to buy it, you're going to love it.